Welcome to SIMNET, drone design and simulation powered by the cloud. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure your controller. Let's get started. You may use any drone controller with simulator support, such as the free Sky Tyrannies. Alternatively, you may use any USB controller or joystick, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller. To configure a new controller, first connect it to the computer and use the website gamepadtester.com to verify it is working properly. You should see the axis and button values change as you use the controller. Enter the SIMNET workspace. Click on Controller, then New, to create a profile for your controller. We will configure each of the functions by clicking the input field, then moving the axis, button, or switch you wish to assign to that function. Let's begin with the pitch channel. Click on the pitch input field, then move the pitch axis in your controller to assign the axis. The purple bar should increase when you move the pitch stick up. If it does not, use the reverse checkbox to invert that channel. Repeat the same process with the roll axis. The bar should increase when the roll stick is pushed to the right. Use the reverse checkbox if necessary. Next, set up the yaw axis. The bar should increase when the yaw stick is pushed right. Finally, set up the throttle axis. The bar should increase when the throttle stick is pushed up. Next, you can assign the flap, aux1, aux2, and aux3 channels to buttons or switches in your controller. If you assign it to a button, you may use the toggle dropdown to simulate a 2-position or 3-position toggle switch. Finally, enter a name for this controller configuration and click Save. This configuration will be loaded by default the next time you log into SIMNET. You may create multiple profiles and switch between them by using the controller load menu. This concludes the tutorial.